resize, Command 0, Command minus, zooms out, Command plus, zooms in. This is the magnifying lens. You could, right? The hand drags, but your mouse, if you slide your finger on the mouse, on the Apple mouse, it could move throughout the artboards, okay? Command minus, right? So you're gonna be recreating this, right? It's this guy over here. You could press Option click to do the copy of it. Let go of the mouse first, then let go of Option. Or, you know, select it, edit, copy and paste. Right? Now, start with one of the leaves, then you make the other two. Follow these directions over here. So you could do one of the leaves with the shape tool. Like let's say you start with the ellipse tool. You click and drag to make an ellipse. Let's just say something like that. Let's change it to a different color. And then no stroke. And then let's zoom into it. Well, zoom. Okay, now you can make these corners right here. If you click on this, it doesn't do anything over here. But if you click with the direct selection and you click on an anchor point, it gives you an option over here to convert it to a corner. Or you could double click it. Well, double clicking means you would have to use this one then, sorry. Then you would activate this, then double click it, okay? Or you're using this one, select it, and then change it to a corner. Then select this one, and change it to a corner. And if you notice, you could take away anchor points from here, and you could round the corners depending on what you want. The transform is still here. Now you could like take the opacity down so you could start seeing what you gotta do with this guy. Let's move him. All right, and then you gotta stretch this guy and then stretch this guy. And you know, whatever, that's as good as it's gonna get. Now that you got that guy, all you really have to do is copy and paste and then transform it, copy and paste and then transform it. Let's see. So I'm gonna click and drag with the Option key. So click Option, hold down the mouse, let go of the mouse, let go of the Option. Now you could move this guy. If you move your mouse a little bit down like this, you see that little thing? Or you could rotate it by a degree, but if you go like this, it's gonna start, you don't know what the actual degree is. Maybe it's 45 degrees. You could put the number here. Let's put negative. Hey guys. Oh Jesus. I'm making a video here. God. It's okay. Oh, geez, no.
No, she's dying and I'm next.
Oh, no.
I already feel it.
Hey, and then you have to transform it because I guess these leaves are a little bit shorter. So move the anchor point and drag. Hold on, you guys. I'm making a video, so. If you zoom in more, you get more control of removing stuff, and you could use the move tools to. But that looks pretty good, man. So then you're gonna go over here. Let's copy this guy, right? But then we're gonna reverse it. So press Option, click and drag. Let's move it right around here. Let go of the mouse. Let go of Option. And then now you could just flip it horizontal. And then move it. Or we could have done the degree also. What's up, guys? And you know, I guess this leaf isn't actually created by Adidas. This is probably some other guy that copied it. So, all right, but that looks all right from there. Okay. So now what you do is let's lock the background layer. Let's click on the background. Let's click on the empty space, then click on the background to select it. Shows it to you where it's at. If you can't see it, drag this. But I can see it's this one right here. So take the lock, and now it won't move, you know. But you can select these three simultaneously now by clicking and dragging across the screen. Click and drag across the screen. Marcos, do me a favor. Close that door and then open this one so I don't hear anybody over there. And then now let's put the opacity back up. Okay. All right. So now you got these three selected. You have some options. We're gonna group them to make it into like one shape. Select them all again. Let's go to group. Let's make an extra copy of these individual ones before you. So let's do like a copy and paste of these three, just so that you have them as an extra before you group them into one shape. Hey, what's up? I'm doing a video. Sorry. So let's do edit copy and edit paste. All right, and then just take off the eyeballs off of these three. All right. So you're always just working with these. You can move them. You select each one. Let's move them below. Let's put them somewhere where they're not gonna interfere. So that way we have our original three in the position. And these guys are there just in case you mess up these other ones. Let's check to see if this is pretty much aligned. Yeah. Okay. With a guide, you can check that. So this is what you have so far. Now let's do this thing right here. So you select those three, you group them. You could have another option where this Pathfinder pops up and you can make it into a shape. So let's just make it all into like one shape. Boom. So now you'll notice when you move it, it's just one shape. Okay. Get the rectangle, select your rectangle, drag across, make the micro adjustments, then go back so that you select this guy, put the opacity down, back up because it's gonna keep it. Now you can select your stuff, okay? So now click and drag across the screen and then do there you go.
Finish the Adidas one because
yeah.
yesterday you look at me like you wanna kill me.
Yeah, it's just my face. It's from all the trauma I have, man. It's just. But I'm a good guy. I'm not gonna hurt you.
En my iPad, pero pasó un trabajo porque el iPad was like.
Hold on, let me pause the video. All right, guys. So that's it. All right, have fun, be good people, and say hi to the fam.